It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Melanade Beauty. First off, I like to say thank you so much for getting us to 4,000 subscribers here on YouTube. That may not be many to some, but it is a lot to me, and I just want to say that I appreciate every last one of you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my extremely tiny bathroom. My bathroom is about a 6x6, so it was extremely difficult to actually film in there. I've tried to look up some inspiration on YouTube, and it seems like everyone is painting the walls or painting the cabinets or painting the tiles on the floor. And I don't know about you, but my landlord is not having that. So I've created a kind of a faux wallpaper hack that I think you all will love. So as always, this video is going to be super affordable and budget friendly. I'm going to be showing you small ways that you can update a small space without having to make a permanent change. So I'm just going to stop rambling and jump right into the video. So as you can see, this bathroom has become very accumulated with lots of products that just need to be organized and put away into proper areas. I'm going to continue to keep a neutral color palette with a bit of a pop on a feature wall. So I'm taking all of these products and off camera, I'm organizing them and putting them away in my closets and under the cabinet, which is pretty boring stuff. So I'm just going to skip over that. I'm also taking down this terrible artwork that I got from Five Below, just cheap stuff that I use for temporary purposes. So this bathroom is very small and I don't want to spend a ton of money on just a refresh. So here I am at Dollar Tree to pick up a few items to get me started with. Starting with these very cute containers. They're minimal and clear, and I just think they would be a great touch for organizing some essentials. And I definitely would like to use black as an accent color for the bathroom, something classic and minimal. So for a quick DIY, I'm going to be spray painting the shower rings in a black finish. This is going to instantly make them more chic, modern, and sophisticated looking and not cheap plastic. And as we let those dry, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the feature wall. So I picked up these wall decals from the Target dollar section. And what they'll do is give off a terrazzo effect on your wall surface. These decal stickers were so easy to apply to my wall. I just randomly placed them in different sections, which is exactly what a terrazzo piece would look like. I did make sure that they are not going to cause any damage to my wall. They peel off very easily, and I did create this look from the ceiling all the way down to the bottom where the baseboards are, and also all the way to the edge of the door frame. That way it'll look more of a full wallpaper instead of just random stickers on the wall. And I found this shower curtain from Goodwill for $5. And yes, it is a neutral tan beige color, but I love the texture. It almost have like a waffle linen texture to it. And the black shower curtain hooks contrast well with the lighter curtain. Now, ideally, you would want to hang a shower curtain rod close to the ceiling and use very long curtains for your shower as you would in any other bedroom. That will instantly make your bathroom appear larger and have taller ceilings. However, I did not do that for this video because I was on a time crunch and I would have had to DIY my curtains. Here is another quick DIY of just some random squiggly lines on a wooden picture frame. I found these at Goodwill for $2 and I created my own prints using the Canva app. And once I put them in the frame, they were good to go as some new trendy art for the wall. Here is a rattan 3-tier shelf that I found from Goodwill for $6 and I thought it'd be a perfect touch for this bathroom. I'm going to be using it for toilet paper storage at the bottom and a couple of fresh wash towels. I'm also going to be adding this vibrant green pothos plant to the top shelf. Adding a real plant is going to instantly brighten up the space and give it an organic feel. Now to organize a few items, I'm going to be using those same containers that I picked up earlier from the dollar store just to put in a few essentials that I'll be using every day, like this hand soap that looks so cute and milky. I actually found this at the Target dollar section with that matte black top detail. I'm also adding in some bath salt into a container, as well as some bar soap into another container. And I'll be using these clear ones to hold some cotton face pads, as well as some Q-tips. Now we have all of our bathroom essentials organized in these very minimal and chic containers. And of course, a bathroom isn't complete without a few candles and maybe some crystals for that bubble bath moment. I also found this cute little cactus jewelry holder. This is for when you want to get in and you don't want to damage any jewelry. Now, instead of using regular bath mats, I'm going to be using this textured throw rug. That way I add style and durability for when I step out of the tub. I personally can never find any stylish bathroom rugs that are good on, looks, but also can absorb water pretty well. So if you have any ideas, please leave a comment below. And here's another quick little hack for those ugly toilet scrubbers or plungers. Find a tall container or vase like this and just put that in there. Get some foam and some faux grass, and there you have it. Completely disguised, you can't see it, and it just looks like a decorative piece in the corner. Now, before I show you the final reveal, let's take a quick look back at the before. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this mini bathroom makeover. If you did, please leave a comment down below, as well as liking this video. It really helps out my channel. Also, please consider subscribing as well as hitting that notification bell. I post videos like this once a week, every Thursday at 10 a.m. So until next time, bye!